Hey there, welcome. I have an exclusive gift for you, and it's right here on this page, so stay tuned. You probably haven't realized this yet, but you're extremely lucky to be here right now. Just by watching this video, you're going to get cash into your bank account by tapping into this secret online gold mine. A gold mine that's worth over $685 billion. Yes, you heard that right. It's $685 billion worth of profits generated year after year. Imagine getting a tiny slice of that $685 billion pie as your annual income. You can easily make over $2,000 per day, $14,000 per week, and over $50,000 every single month. Wouldn't it be amazing? Right now, there are over 85,000 people around the world leveraging on this little-known online gold mine. And in just a moment, you're about to find out what exactly is this gold mine and how to get access to it. In fact, I was able to generate over $45,000 in just 21 days for the very first time I stumbled upon this secret. The best part is, you could be completely computer illiterate and still take advantage of this special opportunity. Just to be clear, this secret gold mine has nothing to do with Bitcoin, Shopify, pyramid schemes, or anything illegal. Instead, what you're about to discover is something so easy that even a 63-year-old lady can profit from it. With that being said, I'm not going to promise you that you'll become a millionaire overnight just by watching this presentation, because I do not want to give you unrealistic expectations. But if making income that can replace your full-time job is good enough for you, then continue watching. You see, the truth is that the secret gold mine I've discovered has a limitation. If I allowed too many people to know about it, there will be less profits to go around for everyone. And that's why I'm strictly limiting the number of people who can watch this presentation. What this means is that the site may be gone tomorrow, and you'll no longer have the chance to access it again. So, turn up the volume, go to somewhere quiet, and pay very close attention to this presentation before this video is gone. Hi there, my name is Justin Tyler, and I would like to welcome you to this short yet important presentation, because you're about to discover how to generate a boatload of cash without any special skills, prior experience, or huge time commitment. In fact, you'll be able to see how, in just 15 minutes, I'm able to make $2,142 a day. That's an incredible $64,260 per month on average. And the best part is that you get to work from anywhere in the world and making over $2,140 per day, 24/7, 365. So, if you like to sleep till the late morning, this is going to be perfect for you. Or if you prefer working at night after the kids are in bed, this will work great for you too. Once you follow along and activate the first few steps, the system will take over and bring in sales. It works for you whether you're working or not. Right now, you have a perfect opportunity presented to you. The question is, would you grab it?
I'm usually nervous being on camera, but I just wanted to give a quick shout out to Justin. Being a waitress, I've been struggling financially to make ends meet, but everything changed when Justin shared with me this online website. In the first week, I made $10,432.55, and 3 months in, I'm right on track to making over $200,000. Thank you so much, Justin. I never thought that one day I would be able to quit my job. Now I am able to spend quality time with my awesome kids, and all this would not be possible without you. You are an absolute genius.
I used to spend hours and hours filling up thousands of online surveys just to make a quick buck or two, but I knew that there must be a better way to make money online. And luckily, I met Justin, who shared with me, I must say, this weird way of making an online income. And in the past 30 days, I have made over $50,000. Okay, $50,483.57 to be exact. This is truly a dream come true for me. Now I can fulfill my dream to travel to different parts of the world. And I can still do it while making money from my laptop in less than 30 minutes every day. Thank you so, so much, Justin. Meeting you was really a life-changing moment.
So in the past, I've invested a lot of money and time into online courses and nothing has ever worked for me. Luckily, a few months ago, I came across Justin and his team, and for the first time, I actually generated money online. I made $3,095.20 on the first day, and in the last 3 months, I made over $100,000. My wife and I are going on a holiday next week, and when we come back, we'll be moving into our new home. Man, all this is only possible because of Justin, and I cannot tell you how good this feels.
Now, before you start thinking that this opportunity is only for the ones who are smart, lucky, or born with a silver spoon, I want to let you know that I was neither of those. In fact, just a few years ago, my life was in a mess, perhaps a lot worse than yours. You see, I was an average employee working in a 9-to-5 job in a small IT firm, living in a 4-room flat with my wife, Rachel, and 2 lovely daughters, Nicole and Tiffany. I love my family so much. I want to give them the best lifestyle possible. So I've been trying to look for ways to generate more income to support my family. However, after all these years, nothing has worked. I began to be skeptical about making money on the internet. I mean, if making money online was so easy, then everyone would be a millionaire by now. Who would want to work in a job? With this mindset, I started working really hard at my company, day and night, night and day. In order to support my family, I was willing to squeeze in the rush hour traffic. I was willing to work long hours without complaint until one day, a dreadful incident changed my life forever. That day, I was called into my boss's office in the morning. My boss looked serious. After a few seconds of silence, he said, "Justin, I appreciate the work you've done for these 15 years, but I'm afraid I have to let you go. We're moving our whole IT division to India where it's much cheaper, so there isn't any work left for you." I was stunned for a moment. Wait, what did I do wrong? Why must it be me? I have to take care of my family. I have to send my children to school. My boss didn't care what I was saying and told me to pack up everything by the end of the week. I felt betrayed, disappointed, confused. I didn't know why it had to happen to me. I didn't know how to break the news to my family. I felt that I let them down. Just when I thought things couldn't get any worse, at that very moment, my wife called and she started crying over the phone. "Dear, what's wrong? What happened?" I was so worried. Then Rachel told me that she had just been diagnosed with stage 3 lung cancer. I couldn't believe what I just heard. It was as though I was caught in an endless spiral of bad luck. At that point, I didn't dare to tell her that I was retrenched. I mean, this is the time where she needs me the most. How can I break the news to her? So I replied, "Dear, I will definitely work hard and earn enough money to save you. Trust me." Right after I ended the call, I knelt down on the floor and couldn't control myself anymore. Why did God allow such things to happen to me? I've been working so hard for the company, yet I got kicked out, just like that. And now my wife just got diagnosed with stage 3 lung cancer. How am I supposed to save her without any money? I felt so hopeless. I felt like the world was going to end. That night, I called my best friend Alex out for a drink. When Alex saw me, he immediately realized that there was something wrong. After I shared the story with him, he looked at me and said, "Justin, I'm so sorry to hear this, and I know it must be hard for you." "Alex, you don't understand. I just got fired. There's no way I can save Rachel. I'm so useless." Alex thought for a moment and said, "You know what, Justin? If you're open, I can share with you one secret online gold mine that I've been using to generate thousands of dollars online every week consistently." As you know, I was very desperate. I told Alex that I wanted to find out more. Immediately, Alex took out his phone and shared with me his payment account. $2,200 on Monday, $4,899 on Tuesday, and $3,500 on Wednesday. And there I was, awestruck. I asked Alex, "Is this real?" And he replied, "Cold, hard cash, straight to the bank." At first, I was extremely skeptical. I mean, even though Alex was my best friend, he was the kind of guy who spent most of his time and money partying and drinking. I thought he was lying or